You killed my sister just to protect your freaking husband!
Okay, that's it. It's time for you to go, girl.
Don't you dare touch her. I know that Eddie and Velma are up to something, and I want to find out what it is.
Alex, you don't need to get yourself involved with my problems. It's too dangerous.
Paano na ngayon ang planong reopening ng case ni Helena?
Huwag yun ang isipin yan. Plano ni Shari, imbulgar ang lahat ng nalalaman niya tungkol sa akin. Yun ay kung magawa niya yan. I'm 7 steps ahead of her.
Boss, may problema tayo. Nasundan ako dito ng anak ni Chairman Jiang.
Kaya ang lakas ng loob ni Noreen lumaban eh. Dahil sa Alex na yan, pinadali lang niya ang mga plano ko. Palay na mismo lumapit sa manok. Hayaan mo lang yung makapasok dito. Wala na akong choice. So to save myself, may kailangan akong ilaglag.
I will make sure everyone will know what kind of a monster you are.
What kind of monster am I exactly? What the hell do you think you are? Are you coming to my country? You speak to me with that garbage? Ang kaya kitang tulupin kung ano mo lang.
Pinatay siya, Mikoy. Pinatay si Alex.
He died in an accident last night. There was an explosion at his bar.
Patay na si Alex. Jerry! No! 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 Hindi pa patay si Alex! No!
They got me so frustrated, thinking I can't make it. All the efforts that I put out, my ideas just get shut down. It's a shame dahil mananagot kayo. Ganda-gandahan, tuwing oras ng pambagan, ang mundo ko'y kagandahan, baby.
Alam kong mahirap paniwalaan at tanggapin. Pero yun ang totoo. Patay na si Alex. Nasunog yung storage room ng bar niya. At nandun daw siya sa loob nung nangyari yung sunog. I'm so sorry.
Just by looking at me, you feel like my life is bitter?
Negroni may be bitter and clouded first, but later on, you can taste its sweetness. Just like you, and you look strong too. That's what makes you beautiful. Sorry? Sorry. This is for you.
Jeju Island?
I hope someday we could go there together. Not for work, but for vacation. Jeju Island is dear to me.
Maraming salamat.
I can do this. I will not give up.
Is it true? Is it true what happened to Alex? We must inform the father. Kailangan asikasuhin natin to.
It's done. Nagawa ko na. I'm sorry, I'm just preoccupied sa nangyari kay Velma.
Sorry, ma'am. Pero kailangan niyo na umalis.
Subukan niya lang!
Hindi ako aalis dito! I built this empire!
Subukan! Will not touch my wife!
Sitiwan niyo ako!
Ano ba na kasi nakasulat dyan?
Sorry, sir. Sumusunod na po sa utos.
Eddie, do something! Tawan mo ako!
My hands are tied. Kakausapin ko si Mama.
You're useless! Huwag na huwag ka magpapakita sa akin mamayang gabi pag uwi mo! I don't wanna see your face!
Sige na.
No! Bitawan niyo ako! Help! Let me go!
Kung kakausapin mo lang ako tungkol sa pagpapalayas ko sa kanya sa kumpanya.
You did the right thing, Ma.
What? I thought kokontrahin mo ko sa ginawa ko. Nagising ka na ba sa bangungot mo?
Seems like it.
What is happening, Eddie? Bakit biglang nagbago ang ihip ng hangin?
Hindi ko na alam kung paniniwalaan ko, Ma. Sarili kong asawa, parang hindi ko na siya kilala. Lalong-lalo na ngayon when all the evidence is coming to surface.
Get to the point, Eddie.
I think Velma killed Helena.
What? How can you say that? You mean, lahat ng binibintang ni Shari sa kanya is true after all?
Hindi na ako natatakot sa inyo. Lalo na alam kong hawak ko yung katotohanan.
Papatayin muna kita bago mo kami masirang mag-asawa.
Saan nakuha yan?
Someone just sent it to me. Hindi ko alam kung sino. One thing's for sure, though, Ma. Si Velma ang pumatay kay Helena. It's all because of me.